Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Purchase a sunset, have breakfast with a sunrise. Nestled in the prestigious community of Red Hills, St. Andrew, is this meticulously designed six-bedroom, 6.5 bathroom architectural masterpiece. It sits on 0.61 acres of land. It comes with stunning ocean, mountain, and city views, close to modern amenities. An inviting driveway bordered by cut stone walls welcomes you. The property is secured with an automatic gate and a comprehensive security system, a spacious two-car garage, and additional parking. The residence showcases a breathtaking sunken living room adorned with two built-in aquariums, complemented by wood paneling, airy ceilings, all arranged around an internal courtyard. The modern spacious kitchen features custom wooden cabinets, granite countertops, and a walk-in pantry. Additional features include an entertainment area with a wine closet, private Wild Western style saloon, a garden gazebo, study, separate quarters for helpers, abundant storage and laundry areas, multiple patios and balconies, a 12,000-gallon built-in water storage tank, a kennel, and lush fruit trees along a home garden. Make an offer today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 960,000, Jamaican 151.4 million, Canadian 1.37 million, Euro 881.8 thousand, or 746.1 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.